In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect your Wix website. If you want to limit access to a page or even your entire site, Wix makes the process pretty straightforward right from the editor. This is especially useful if you're creating a private client area, a members-only page, or a site that isn't ready for the public yet. I will walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can get this set up quickly and confidently. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. Make sure you're on the site you want to update before moving forward, since any changes you make will apply to that site. Once you're inside the editor, go to the left-hand side and click the Pages and Menu icon. In some versions of Wix, this may appear as menus and pages, but it leads you to the same place. This is where you manage the pages on your website and adjust how visitors can access them. Next, find the page you want to lock. If your goal is to protect the entire website, choose your home page, hover over the page name. Then click the More Actions icon, which appears as 3 dots. This opens a menu with additional options for that page from there. Click Settings. This will open the Page Settings panel, where you can control several page-specific features. Look for the Access tab, which may also be labeled Permissions, depending on your Wix layout or version. This is the section that controls who can view the page. In the Access or Permissions area, choose Password Holders. Once you select that option, a field will appear where you can enter the password you want visitors to use. Type in your desired password carefully. Make sure it's something secure, but also easy enough to share with the people who need access. After entering the password, press Enter to confirm it. Then close the Settings panel. At this point, the setup is complete inside the editor. But it won't be live on your actual site until you publish the changes. To finish, click Publish in the top right corner. This makes your password protection active. So visitors will now need to enter the password before they can access that page, or your full site if you lock the home page. And that's it. Thanks for watching.